Hi, we're Joanna and James. Join us for a gentle wander to see some of London's best Christmas lights.
Decorated in the traditional style, since 1947, the Trafalgar Square tree has been an annual gesture of gratitude from Norway for Britain's support in the Second World War. This beautiful tree is a gift from the Crown Estates.
Christmas can be a hard time for so many. Within adulthood, the magic and wonder may easily become lost. But we can still find it when we know where to look. Do you remember how it felt to be little? The wonderful sense of anticipation. Perhaps you loved the magic of the Christmas tree, the lights and special ornaments, or the aromas of Christmas baking, carol concerts, and then the excitement of Christmas Eve, waiting for Father Christmas.
This installation by Sally Smith is made up of 57 sparkling pine cones.
Please like, subscribe and comment. We love to hear from you, and it really helps our channel to grow. What is it then which creates true Christmas magic? It's probably very personal to you. A carol sung in just the right way. A specific sort of mince pie. Wrapping presents in front of a favourite Christmas film. Or your mum rushing towards you at the door with her arms out. The gathering of all the dear familiar faces.
Fortnum's delightful window display is a creation by Sally Smith, Mojo Creative and Adina's Paper. These spellbinding lights are a collaboration between Chanel and the new West End company, inspired by Chanel No. 5. Thomas Dupré de Saint-Maur said, "We hope to delight passers-by, amaze children, and make grown-ups dream." The lights will be displayed until the 12th of January 2025.
The magic of Christmas is not something we find, after all, but something we create, something we renew in our hearts each year and among our family and friends. So wherever you are, we wish you all the warmth and wonder of the season. We hope you'll seek the magic all over again and savor every lovely moment, allowing it to fuel you forward into next year.